Okay, hi. I'm now at the dormitory, and this is how it looks like at night time. It's really kind of dark. I don't know if this video will do it justice, but anyway, I'm here. So as you can see, there are no electrical lights, street lights. So anyway, I'm going to be going home now. I'm just taking temporary shelter. I'll try to make the video last as far as I can, just for you to see how it looks like, if you can see it, exiting the dormitory and vice versa. And you know what's the glowing light there is actually the cockpit, and that's the other light you see here, but there are no electrical light posts, street lights. Okay, see, this is how dark it is at night time. Anyway, I'm stopping it now because it's raining, and I have to pay attention to where I'm stepping. So these are just the lights that you will be able to see when you're passing or going to the dormitory or going away from it. I guess see, there are no electrical light posts except for that one, further ahead along the highway. Okay, stopping it now. Bye.